Okay, Kuya Romel Toronto viewers, good afternoon. Today is May. Kung mga pila ngayon sa Costco, May 17, 1:30 p.m. Costco Toronto for the long weekend. On Monday, May 19, Canada Day, civic holiday. No, Victoria Day pala. Ito. Pila ngayon. Ba ng pila sa pagkain, yan. Pila sa cashiers, line up everywhere. Mga food court, Costco Canada. Line up. Ito yung mga returns na binalik. Let's go. Time to go home. Hi there. My receipt. Thank you. Have a good day. Costco, Canada. There's a giveaway here. Rapol. Okay, goodbye Costco. Finally. Oh no, the rain stopped, which is good. Punta tayo sa parking lot ng Costco Canada in Toronto. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. May 17, 1:30 p.m. in Costco Toronto. Look at the lineup. So many people buying for the long weekend, Monday holiday. May 19, civic holiday in Canada. And up here for the cashiers. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.